friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make mixed veg soup and this is really very tasty and very easy and everybody in the family will love it, especially the kids. It is very healthy and very easy to make. So come on guys, we'll start making mixed veg soup. To make mixed veg soup, I've started to heat up a cooker. You can take any high bottom pan. I'm using cooker because again vegetables will be steamed into it. Add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Roast it till it becomes golden brown. Then add finely chopped 1 medium sized onion. Roast it till it turns translucent. Just adjust your flame at a medium heat so that the vegetables doesn't burn. Otherwise your soup will have a burnt taste. After that add few cauliflowers, around 9 to 10 pieces of cauliflower floret. Just cook it for few seconds. Add the carrots and beets. Again toss it up for 1 to 2 minutes. Add some cabbage and some sweet corn. Again mix it and toss it for 1 minute. Add some spinach leaves, around 8 to 9. All the proportion of the vegetable depends on your choice how much you want to keep it. So just toss it up again. Add some tomatoes and some basil leaves. This will give a very nice flavor to the soup. Mix it well and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. If you want, you can just cover it for some time. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, crushed black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of black rock salt. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Now I am going to pressure cook this in the cooker. So I'll just add a glass of water to it. This is around 250 ml of water. Cover the lid and cook it up to 3 whistles. Now the vegetables are cooked. Now I'll let it cool and then I'll grind it in the grinder. Now the cooker has cooled up, so I'll just open it. You can see the vegetables are cooked properly. Now what I'll do is I'll drain out the vegetable stock so that it cools faster. Now you can see the vegetable is cooled well. Vapors also have reduced, so I'll just take it in the jar and I'm going to grind it to a fine paste. Now I'm going to put the paste in the strainer and I'm going to strain it. So now just strain it nicely. Now I'm going to just add back this pulp to the cooker and I'm going to boil it again. I'll add the vegetable stock to this. Now I'll just add the vegetable stock to this. If you want, you can also add a little bit of water up to desired consistency you want for the soup. And if you are making it thinner, you can add a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in water. But here you can see it has a good consistency. This soup has a good consistency, so I will not be adding cornstarch to this. If you want, you can also boil in some pieces of corn and some finely chopped carrot into it, so that it gives a nice vegetable feeling while consuming the soup. But this is for the kids also, so I have not added any whole vegetables into it. Finally, add around 2 tablespoons or 1 heaped tablespoon of fresh cream to it. And now the soup is ready to serve. If you have liked this video, click on like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for much more and delicious recipes or delicacies on the plate.